Christian.
Wait up. Wait up, Shanique. Wait up. It's moving back.
It's on that. It could fly.
Relax. Hi. Pretty good, thank you. Here you go, Shanique.
Okay.
Here you go.
I got it.
You're just chilling right there.
Yeah. This is so funny. I feel bad for the girl.
Okay, what the fuck?
Where'd it go? Oh my god, it flew! I knew it! Oh my gosh.
Hey, just to let you guys know just to let you guys know, like a cockroach just flew inside. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, thanks. Have a good night. What's wrong with you?
I never come to McDonald's ever again.
Yeah.